Still watching the market and trading futures manually? Try Futures Grid. Let the system buy low and sell high for you. In a sideways market, trades are executed automatically based on your preset rules. No need to monitor the market constantly. Trade with ease. Open the Hotcoin app, go to the homepage, tap More, then select Futures Grid and tap Create Now. On the Setup page, configure the following. Choose your direction, long or short. Set your price range. Enter the lower and upper prices. Select the number of grids. Choose arithmetic or geometric mode. Set your margin and leverage. Up to 200 times on Hotcoin. You can also set a trigger price. Once the market reaches it, the grid strategy will start automatically. You can also set take profit and stop loss. When triggered, the strategy will stop automatically. All positions will be closed at market price, and the remaining funds will be returned to your futures account. After confirming all parameters, tap Create Strategy. Your grid strategy will start running automatically. Trade efficiently without constantly watching the market. Download the Hotcoin app now. Experience simple futures grid trading.